Hello? Who is this?
Okay. Oy, Buzz! Thank you ha dahil pumayag ka ulit magpa-interview. Okay, ready na tayo?
Okay, live na po tayo in 3, 2, 1, and go!
Hi! Gail Weathers here, live at News 4. I'm here with Buzz once more. So Buzz, everyone knows you as a survivor of many brutal attacks. And this time, the killer is targeting you again. Pero, sabi mo, yung kuya mo daw yung tumatawag sa'yo. Even though, patay na siya. Ano masasabi mo?
That's why I really wanna know if it's real. Kung nanonood ka man ngayon, tuwagan mo ko dito mismo sa national television, live, para magkaalaman na tayo.
Tumatawag na ba?
Wala.
Okay! While waiting, let's have some chika muna. So, Buzz, anong feeling na sobrang sikat mo na at madaming gustong maging ikaw?
Can we have another question po, please?
What is the feeling to be a final boy who survived and got famous after everything?
Like I said,
Grabe!
I don't wanna talk about this.
Marami ba nagpapapicture sa'yo? Tell us more
Di ko ginusto to, okay? I'm sorry. I have to go.
Yung killer na ba yan? Hi, Buzz! Is that Zoe? Did you miss me?
Patay ka na.
Do I look like I'm dead? Oh my God! Hanggang ngayon pa naman, bobo ka pa rin. Welcome to Act 3, bitch. Shit!